Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you, where I will talk about, is eBay dropshipping legal? So let's get started. First of all, the step comes of is the supplier agreement. So many dropshippers source products from third-party suppliers. If the supplier's terms and condition explicitly prohibit dropshipping their products on platforms like eBay, engaging in such activity could breach their agreement. Now, the second step is misrepresentation. So, misleading or deceptive practices such as misrepresenting the source of the products or not disclosing that the item will be drop shipped can lead to issues with eBay's policies and potentially legal troubles. The third step is to check the counterfeits and trademarks. So, selling counterfeit or trademarked goods, even inadvertently, can result in legal actions from the trademark holder. It's important to ensure the products you're dropshipping are genuine and do not infringe on any intellectual property rights. The fourth thing is to check the quality and returns. So, if the products you're dropshipping are of poor quality or do not match the buyer's expectations, you might face disputes and negative feedback. Handling returns and customer service issues appropriately is crucial. Fifth is the tax and legal obligations. Dropshippers might have tax obligations depending on their location and the location of their customers. Failing to meet tax requirements can lead to legal consequences. After that, there are eBay policies. eBay has specific policies regarding dropshipping that sellers must adhere to. These policies can change over time, so it's important to stay updated with eBay's guidelines. Seventh is the buyer protection. eBay places a strong emphasis on buyer protection. If buyers receive items that are not as described or encounter other issues, they can open cases against the seller. Failing to resolve such cases appropriately can impact your seller account standing. So these were the options, these were the details about telling you that is eBay dropshipping legal. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.